Okay, so I put little bows on the back of their hair so you can see which color they are. So this one's blue. Hi, Blue. He's just coming up to me. Huh. And that one's green, and I'm gonna try to get out of the shadow for you. Huh. Then Orange is over there playing with a ball. Hi, Orange. Orange is usually the one that is the first one to come, and he was here, but I think he decided that he wanted to go eat, so. But these ones are the 3 ones that we have left. Oh. So again, that's green, blue, and orange. Orange! Huh. I think he might be tired. They were just all playing a lot. Got my shoe, huh? They're starting to eat puppy food. Huh. So there's just a few. Oh, they're in the shadow again. But that one's green again. Huh, green. Don't know if it's focusing, sorry. Hi, Orange. But like I said, Orange is the one that usually is always all over us and usually doing lots of different things. Huh. Oh, and your water's a little bit dirty. I just realized that. They've been playing in their water. Oh, and you have a messy face. Aww. Orange. Yeah.